and then slide it over. Alright, it's on carpet, so we can, here's what we're going to do. You and Nick, you guys turn it over. Yeah, you turn yours first. Yeah, just start sliding it over. There's no way to get to this. Okay, hold on a second. I got to get up.
You want me to hold it?
That's right. Good.
That'd be the man if that thing falls.
Right. All right, go ahead and slide it on either side. It's going to go right in the front.
Like beside this?
Yep, just like how they have it on that side. How's that fit? Pretty good?
Yep.
Okay, somebody come take my place. You got the chair. If you don't, let this go. Don't let that go. All right, guys, let me give you one of those impact drivers. We're gonna, I got a level.
Here. Like it's flush here. But
Try it on that one. I'll tell you. There's two in there. Go to the bottom first. At the bottom. Near the top.
Did you get in that two-drop one?
Yes. Right there. Good. Other side. Go do a. Yeah, no, let's do another one. Do another one right there. And put that one tighter first. It's not. There's a gap. Close that gap. I mean, we can put shims in there if we need to, but let's try to close it. There you go. And then put one more right here.
probably. She said, how are we going to unscrew that?
Yeah. Go ahead and do that one. All right. Here's the top. Right there. Yeah, we're going to have to put some pins on it. Can you bring the card over? Here, no. Yeah.
Do the edges need cut off these panels, Mr. Shriver, or do they stay long like that?
We're going to trim them off.
Okay. Brady was ready to do that. Do you want him to do that or not?
No, we're just going to
Okay.
use a router. It'll
Okay.
be fast.
Okay.
Okay,
So now.
we're just going to grab a couple shoes.
And then we'll cut them off.
Yeah.
Somewhere in the back room, I guess.
Can't let go or not.
Okay, we need to store this now. All right,
Hang on, I was just never sleeping. Tell me where you're supposed to be when you're supposed to be.
I think that's all I'm gonna add some braces, but that's good for now. They can't move it, that's what they can't. So until we put some braces in. We'll put some bracing, create a nice strong triangle, and it'll be good to go. All right, we need to move this.
I'm scared.
Can you get up?
It just like falls on me.
Don't try to break it.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna lift from this side over here. Okay, so you need to come up from
We're
here.
holding it so it doesn't slide this way. Well, me and Lucas are.
Yeah, make sure you're grabbing on 2x4s. All right.
Do we need one right here in the corner?
Yeah.
Oh, is there not?
There's not one right here. No.
How about the other side?
I love a Brady still. I didn't.
that side good?
Yeah.
All right, so
I'm a doctor of a hole.
we need you guys. No, we're gonna pass it on here. So, Jay, come over here. There's studs under where these screws are. So, kind of hard to
Just don't drop it on me.
Okay, ready? Ready?
I have nowhere
Wait.
to hold. There's really nowhere.
Let me get something.
There's a stud, like right where that chalk line is, there should be a stud.
Well, yeah, but my
No.
wrist
Go to the side then. Shouldn't it, like,
So right there where the, right here.
Dude, I would have ripped this thing off.
your knees.
She's very flexible.
I'm gonna lift this up. Can you slide that? Well, you guys got it? Okay.
we
Okay, just hold it right there. Okay, just make sure you're grabbing vertical pieces, not horizontal. I'm gonna get something installed here.
I don't know,
That's
the
so we
whole
can
thing
grab it.
slides on that board.
Everybody okay?
Yep. Not much.
Not on anything. Me and Brady got it all. Right. There.
If you put it on that side, is Jared even gonna be able to hold it?
No, it's gonna be on the back side.
Mr. Stratford,
Hey, I'll do something.
is he gonna still be able to hold it from that side? Doesn't it need to be on the other side?
No, we're gonna. Yeah. Not until you have. So it needs to be. So how are we gonna
Did
do
you
it?
see us put the other one
Oh,
up
you know
last
what?
class?
We just won't go with that other side. Let's just go from here. We'll have to do it. He won't be able to, yeah, so
All right.
he won't be able to.
So just somebody behind it will hold on, just not.
We're not getting to the passengers. We'll be on the other side. All right, you guys ready?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
There's a lot of mist. Hey, keep going.
All right. Just hold it up there straight. Nice and level. Okay.
There's the top wiggle.
Hello?
Well, no one's pushing.
We can fix it real quick. Okay.
It feels like it's going that way.
Because this piece was. That's it. All right, we good? We're gonna ready to slide it over. We're gonna have to slide.
Why is
it
it?
around.
It seems like it's laying that way.
You're gonna have to just.
There's more people over there.
Okay.
Yeah, so push it.
So this side stays put. Okay, you guys don't move. You guys need to move. All right. You're gonna slide. This side is gonna slide around. Okay, we're turning. Okay.
Well, they're just like barely holding.
Well, Jacob,
Come on, do it.
give him a little more. Give him a little more. Yeah, you're right. Okay, sorry.
Just like a.
No, yeah. Okay. You guys stay put. This side.
What you
We
got?
can fix that later. This side is going that way. All right. Ready? Okay. Okay. All right. Now start sliding. All right. That's good. Now straighten out, parallel to the back drop. So we can slide it behind the platform. Yeah. Okay. Start heading that way towards the platform. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. A little closer to the platform so it doesn't get flush.
Oh, closer to the front?
Yeah, because we gotta have a little space there.
Woo, we're gonna hit those stairs.
All right, wait. You see the two lines, the center lines? That's where we need to line up.
Yeah.
Which way do we need to go?
This way.
Tell us when to stop.
I think that's good, right?
One more.
How many inches?
Right there.
Right there?
We'll go back a half an inch.
Half inch.
All right. This
Good.
way, a quarter inch. Seriously.
Towards Tom Bird, quarter inch?
Right there. Right there.
Right there?
No move.
We'll push the bottom in.
Well, now
Yeah, we
tap
want
it
yours.
this way.
Is that good?
Tap it to the right. Or by right. A little more. Hey, they don't stop when I tell them stop, dude.
Brady's the worst one.
All right, right there.
Is that good?
Yes.
He said yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Push it in.
The wheel definitely should have been lined.
Yeah, we probably should have. Yeah, let me get this. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Yeah, screw it in, Bradford.
Oh, that made a big difference.
Is it still there? Still
The
some?
gap? No.
Gone?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one for
Do we have a problem or what? Oh.
Somebody looking for one?
No, I thought they were trying to tell you that something was wrong. I have no idea.
Yeah, we will try to if we can.
You want me to?
No, that's gonna have to. We have to get something else there. So, yeah, let's see how it looks before we put anything else in there.
Can we just screw it to the stairs, Strap?
How's it look?
You're what? Excellent.
Might be wrong.
That's whatever. It's better than it's a zero. Yeah,
The whole thing is crooked.
what's it?
Like, instead of being facing forward, it's like that.
Yeah, and we can. That's easily fixed. It was like this. Just does it look?
Imagine
Maybe
it happened.
look from over there.
Yeah.
Jared, how does it look from there?
He says
It looks fine. It just, like, there's a little off the top that, like,
you can see behind the. Does it? Should have been one of those things where you make the back arcs like slightly bigger because of the depth. I don't know. Too late now. We're gonna work with it.
Let me see what you say.
Like, do you see the gap in between the two arches?
Let's go Broadway.
If you sit down. Oh yeah, just see above the back.
Yeah.
We might like close that.
That would be a lot of work.
And also the I'm pretty sure the curtain's gonna be closed, so you wouldn't be able to see mountains, and some of that might be black.
So it might not be as good.
But
Good job, team.
okay, let's put the stairs back in front and get a photo.